Today we're reviewing the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Is this the ultimate cleaning solution for pet owners? Let's find out. The Shark AV2501S boasts matrix clean navigation for systematic cleaning, AI home mapping for thorough coverage, and a self-emptying base with a 30-day capacity. It also features HEPA filtration, Wi-Fi connectivity, and powerful suction perfect for pet hair. Matrix clean navigation ensures no spot is missed. Strong suction power tackles pet hair and debris. The self-emptying base reduces manual maintenance, and its efficient battery life covers large areas in one go. Plus, it operates at a moderate noise level. Setup is quick and easy. The intuitive touch interface and app control make it user-friendly. Customize cleaning schedules and control it remotely with ease. Though the Shark AV2501S comes with a higher price tag, its advanced features and capabilities offer great value, especially with reduced maintenance thanks to the self-emptying base. Comprehensive and systematic cleaning, convenient self-emptying feature, improved air quality with HEPA filtration, smart home integration, and effective pet hair management. Higher initial cost might be a barrier. Occasional manual maintenance is needed, and there are potential app connectivity issues. The Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is an excellent choice for pet owners and those seeking a high-performance, low-maintenance cleaning solution. Its advanced features and robust performance make it worth the investment.